Hello, so in this video we're gonna make a attack animation. So this is how it would look like. It's fairly simple. And then I would make another video when we create an AI for this stickman so we can fight him. But first of all we need some attacks. So yeah, let's do that. So now I will just explain how it works for those who didn't saw my previous tutorials. So I made the limb controller and this one, and it makes my stickman parts like this hand, for example, for this ball over here. So if I press play now, you can see he's trying to follow this ball over here. And if you want to learn how to make this limb controller, I have tutorials before that. They pretty bad, so don't judge me, but whatever. So actually I'm gonna just create an animation. Let's make a new uh, attack, and yeah, now this one we want to get his hands. Where is that thing? I don't remember what I did here. So we want to actually want to save it. So I want to have this one over here, like maybe so. Let's say 4, something like this, and maybe 0.9. And for the it's actually okay. So now we actually saved it. Um, let's go to 15 and just switch this to 0 to 3, let's say, to 0, maybe to 1, and let's go to 13 and actually let's something like that. And let's make a huge swing, so something like 0 and -2, oh, -1.5. Okay, so in here, let's say that 4 is gonna be like, I don't know, 4 or 5. And this one's gonna be 2, like 2, and this one is 1. And let's see, should look something like that. Whatever, should do. Now, which hand is that though? Okay, so we have now an attack animation. Let's go to the animator and drop this attack and this back whenever we, let's say, let's say whenever we attack. Uh, and this one whenever attack is false. Okay, and yep, that's it. Whatever. I don't know what the fuck is that. And let's just try to see what the fuck would happen with that. And let's try attack. Oh, yeah. Now let's go inside of here. Let's press. What the fuck? Oh, let's go in here. press this shit, and we want to say not resting, and the same thing for everything else. Okay, cool. Now let's try again. Let's disable it. Does my hand? Yep, it's working just fine. Again, let's try this. And cool. Now we just have to add some actual way to attack. So I would just overwrite the thing we did with the Q. So whatever, if we press, let's say if we press E, we would attack. Key down, and do we actually use the animator? Yeah, so animator dot set bool, and attack is gonna be true. Wait, is that attack with n small? Yeah, okay, so it's small a. So it would find the attack variable and set it to true, so it should be spelled right. Else if input, if we don't press anymore, so we just stopped holding E, I would want to stop attacking, and animator set bool to attack false, and this should be key. Okay, now let's try this again. I press E, and nice. Now let's take this. Okay. Oh, another thing I want to do is this does not have exit time, and this does not have exit time. And say this is gonna be maximum, this is gonna be maximum, and let's add another step that this is gonna be like somewhere like here. So he's like preparing to attack or something. Like so. Okay. And this should do it. Whatever. I don't know. Feels weird. Maybe it's too fast. Yeah, maybe it's too fast. Again, let's just make it much longer. Ah, whatever. Let's fix it in here. Like how fast is gonna be? 0.5. Again, let's try this. This is weird. Okay, so whatever. Let's move this part like so. This one like so. Let's make this go 0.8. And maybe another thing I want to change is go inside the limb. And I have the edit first thing, so let's make it 25 maximum in here. Okay, I want to make it go really fast. And it's gonna click 10. Then we're here. Hopefully I will make the AI video soon. I have some work for the university to do, and yeah, see you next time.